Creating SKUs directly from your eBay listings is recommended if you are selling on eBay. Before getting started, you will need to authorize your eBay account so the portal can pull your eBay listings automatically. To do this, go to Integration and Platform Account, link your eBay account, and complete the authorization process with eBay. Once completed, your account status will show as Authorized. After authorization, go to SKU and eBay Listing Management to manually sync your eBay listings to the portal. To create SKUs, your listings must have custom labels ready, as these will be used as the seller SKU ID during SKU creation. For listings without custom labels, you can either edit them on eBay, then refresh the listings to sync the latest changes, or you can directly edit them in the portal. The changes will be synced back to eBay instantly. Listings with duplicate custom labels will also be highlighted. You can either confirm the duplicate if it refers to the existing SKU, or edit the custom label if it represents a different product. Once the custom labels are ready, the listings will be available to create OC SKU. Multiple SKUs can be created at the same time. Listings with all required information completed will be submitted for SKU verification automatically under SKU Information tab. If any mandatory SKU information is missing, you can either click on Edit and complete the SKU creation. You can also click OK to save it as a draft and submit it later. After submission, you can check the verification status from the SKU information page. SKU verification usually takes up to 24 hours to complete.